Hi Fit friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my episode of Baking with Mandy. Any of my friends and family that know me well know that I'm not the best at baking. I'm pretty good at making dinners and lunches and just regular food, but when it comes to baking and desserts, I fall short sometimes because I don't always read the recipe, and then I jump to conclusions and I assume what the recipe is going to do and say, and then next thing you know, I fail at it. So anyways, today we are baking a pumpkin pie. The reason why we're baking a pumpkin pie is I need to practice my pie crust. So I've attempted making a pie crust multiple times and it's all been really bad, like shoe sole bad. And anyway, my husband wants a pie for his birthday this year, actually every year. A different pie every year for his birthday is what he likes. So this year I'm hoping to make him a pie, and I've always just kind of bought the store-bought crust for his birthday pies because I don't trust my pie crust. So what I'm doing this year is I'm going to practice, and I'm gonna have you guys in the kitchen with me. I'm not sure if this video is gonna be funny or like an actual good baking video, so we'll see. Stick along and we'll bake this pumpkin pie, get ready for Thanksgiving, and yeah, it'll be great. You'll maybe learn some tips or don'ts, you know, do's and don'ts, mostly don'ts. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm already confused. It says 3.5 cups of pie crust, 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. So, confusion it's already setting in for the pie crust. I just started. So it's use 3.5 cups of the pie crust mix and mix in 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. It says use an 8-ounce cup. Alright, I just got the water added into the pie mix, so I'm going to start gently stirring it together. Not too much, not too little. Stirring it just so-so. There's a lot of... Alright, I have my pie crust in a ball on my floured countertop. So, I'm going to try to roll it out. Now, with my rolling pin. Need to give myself some space. Alright. Roll it out, right? That's what people do. Alright everybody, just an update. I am still working on the pie crust, but it's actually coming together, so I'm almost done with it. And that is what it's looking like right now. I still have this other portion to roll out. I decided to split my giant pie crust dough ball into 2 balls and roll them out separately. I don't know if it's just a small working space or maybe that's a better thing to do, to roll it out into 2 different balls, but that seems to be what's working best right now. And then the other thing was, instead of rolling back and forth, just rolling the one direction and putting a lot more muscle into it is also working for me quite a bit better too. So I'm learning as I go, and I'm glad you guys are sticking with me. So I think it'll turn out maybe okay, but looks can be deceiving. So alright, I might be gearing up for my first successful pie crust. I'll show you what the final pie crust looks like. directions on the back of the pumpkin can. I didn't use granulated sugar, I used brown sugar, and then I also didn't measure out any of my seasonings. I just eyeballed it. And I think it turned out really well. So my husband will be home soon and I'll let him sniff it out. The baby's asleep, so that's why I'm whispering. Anyway, here's what she looks like. Okay everybody, thanks for joining me and baking with me today and being patient with me, because as you saw, I'm not the best baker. But let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any more videos like this, if you want to see the pie that I will be baking for my husband's birthday, and if you want to see more videos in the kitchen. So have a great day. We'll see y'all next time.